Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna do a review for ChatSEO.app. So as you can see, the dashboard in front of me is like ChatGPT for SEO. I asked him find relevant keywords to target the best SEO services in France. So what he gave me the monthly searches for every single keyword and the difficulty and the CPC and the intent and page type. So he will give me the best ways to rank for these keywords. So he will tell me this is a medium difficulty and these are high difficulty. So I'm gonna start with medium. As you can see, I asked him about an article typing right now and the searching for web search to get the best keywords inside the article. So as you can see, the article is done. When I click on it, it will give me the metadata, the meta description and the expert and everything, the slug and the keywords. Like he gave me the focused keyword. This article, you see, it's really good. It's really nice article and it has backlinks and everything. So it's really completed. You can connect it to your WordPress and with just one click you can publish it. Has a built-in editor and also it respects every single SEO tactics. For example, H1, H2 paragraphs are really well structured. And also there's a really good feature inside ChatSEO, which is you can connect your Google Search Console for your website, tell you what's best for you and what's working for your case and what keywords to target. I connected my website, as you can see here, and it would tell me my competitors and about my website, the writing, the tone, sitemap. It's all in one SEO that makes SEO easy for you. This is the best SEO tool in my opinion. Link in the description if you want to try it. Like and subscribe and have a nice lovely rest of your day. Bye bye.